everyone, it's Krista from Doc's Quilt Shop. I just wanted to talk to you a few minutes. Last year, my husband and I were able to go on a quilting cruise. On the cruise, I had gotten 2 kits to sew on the cruise, and the kits were already pre-cut, ready to go, and I tell you, it was so much fun. I wanted to be able to give you that same experience, and so I have come up with several kits that I think you will really enjoy. There are some that are not cut up for those that like to cut their own, but for those, I know there's a few out there that don't like to cut the fabric. These are already cut, ready to go. We have several kinds. We have the Caterpillar 100 years. Now this one is not cut yet, as it has a whole layer cake or a 10-inch stacker in it. And it's got the panel and other materials that will make this particular quilt. Instructions are already in. For those of you that like to do panels but not sure what to do with the panels, we have several panels that are available. That was another one. And it already gives you the design ready to go. This one, as you can see, or maybe you can't, but if you zoom in, you can see that this is already cut up, labeled, and ready for you. All you have to do is sit down and start sewing. I have some that I thought, whoa, everything's falling. That the pattern was so cute, and even though I didn't have the material that they used on this one, you could still use the pattern. And so what I have done is I have looked in the lines and the solids that I have, and I have designed the material that will match this pattern. And this is called Owl Always Love You. And this one's done in lots of grays and purples. And then I also have this done in blues and grays. And these are cut up, ready to go. Some of the kits, as you will find, have backing already in them. And some of them don't, so that you can pick your own backing. I know sometimes when I come in, I like to have a certain kind of backing when I'm looking for fabric. And so if you were like that, great. I've got lots of 108s. I've got lots of material from the lines that you can choose from. Or if you don't want to have to do that and you want everything, there is kits like this one. This is the Halloween one. This is the panel, and it's got everything in it, including this really cute 108 spider web backing. So come on down to Doc's Quilt Shop and see all the different kits that we have available, and there will be more coming. Give me a call if you have any questions. Can't wait to see you. Thanks everyone. Happy sewing.